Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a full face of my most expensive makeup products. So if this is your first time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you're following me on Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty and also subscribed to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. Now for this video, like I said, we are going to be using my most expensive products, and I don't know, I experimented with a lot of expensive products this year. I did this video I think early last year, and literally all of my products since that video for the most part have changed. I'm going to link that video up here if you have not seen it yet, but I had so much fun doing that video. I'm also going to be following this video up with the least expensive makeup I own, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well because that will be coming soon. But anyway, I don't want to talk your ear off. Let's just jump right in. So before we get started, I want you to comment down below and guess how much money's worth of makeup you think I'm about to put on my face. It's going to be one product for each category, but how much do you think my full face is going to cost at the end of this? Pause this video and let us all know down below in the comment section. I'd love to know what you think. I haven't even tallied this up yet. I just pulled the products out, so I'm thinking it's gonna be around $1,000. That's my guess, but I will let you know at the end. So let's start off as usual with our brows. I ended up using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Now this is the mini size, but I do have the full size of the brow pencil. I just happen to have the mini size open. But this is my most expensive brow pencil. I believe this comes in at $24, and it's actually probably one of my favorite brow pencils as well though. It just works so well, fills in my brow so nicely. I love that it has like nice hair-like strokes.
My daughter was walking to the nail salon to get my nails.
You gotta look at the camera though, right here.
Gave us all a ride. So if he felt any way towards me and this young man, he wouldn't have got in the car.
Ooh, you look like a wild child.
The young man his $10 of gas. He was there. So wait a minute, Mr. James, you got an attitude because she asked a client to give her a ride.
I just figured it out. I just
So moving on, I'm going to use my Tatcha lip mask, and then I'm going to clean up my brows using the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. I don't really like this as a concealer, and I know that's what most people use it as, but I like to use it just to clean up my brows. I figure I might as well get some use out of it because it's just way too thick for me as a concealer. Now let's go ahead and move into the eyes. I'm priming with the NARS eyeshadow primer, and then we are going to use the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. It was a cross between that one and also my Pat McGrath palettes, but I went ahead and used the Natasha Denona. Those are two of my most expensive palettes. They're both $129, I believe, which is way too much for an eyeshadow palette. You can certainly find dupes for these shades in the drugstore, so please don't feel compelled and watch this video and go, hey, I need to go out and buy Natasha Denona shadows for $129. You absolutely do not. The drugstore has some amazing shadows that you can really dupe, especially for these shadows in warm colors. I wanted to do a more simple eye look for this video, so that's what I did. And now we're on to liner. I'm using the Pretty Vulgar, this is the gel liner. I don't use gel liner that often, but this is definitely one of my favorites when I do look to pick up a gel liner. So definitely my favorite part of makeup is the face, which we're on to now. I'm going to take my Farsali Rose Gold drops, or whatever they're called. They'll be down below in the description box. I'm going to take those Farsali drops and just make my face a little more hydrated. I do this all the time in the winter. You guys know that. And then I'm going to prime using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. One of my favorite primers, definitely. Not the most mattifying, but definitely one of my favorites, and also the most expensive. I believe it comes in at about $52. For foundation, we're going to use the Pat McGrath Sublime Perfection Foundation. If you guys haven't seen my recent video where I use the new Pat McGrath concealer, I would definitely check it out. I'll go ahead and link it in this video because that is such a great video, and you'll see that Pat McGrath does come out with some really good face products. Just want to say that. So after I do my foundation, I also like to use these Farsali liquid powder drops, and before I would put them on before my makeup, but now I like to put them on after I do my base, just because I feel like they work better that way and keep me matte longer. So I almost use it as the first layer of powder, if you will. This is another concealer that I recently purchased, but I absolutely love. It's the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Concealer, and you guys know I do have the Hourglass foundation as well. These products just oh my gosh, they make these products to play so well with each other if you get the products from the same line. That's also how you get in trouble and spend all your damn money, because Hourglass ain't cheap. But I just wanted to point that out because I love using the entire line of products, because I really feel like it just amps up the look that much more. And we all know which under eye setting powder I was going to use. That's my La Mer, the powder that retails for $95, which is, besides the eyeshadow palettes, that's easily my most expensive makeup product, hands down. But it's so pretty, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, I feel like I would repurchase it if I ran out of it today. So of course, more Natasha Denona products. You can see which lines are the bougie ones. I'm using the Natasha Denona Sculpting Powder. I really love this bronzer. I've talked about this to you guys several times. I've had it for a while, and I definitely get my use out of it because it's one of my favorites in my collection. Next, it's time to move into the lips. I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil and then also the Hourglass. This is one of their lip glosses. I have it linked down below, you guys. I never remember what the name is, but I'm just going to go in and line my lips and then fill it in with that lip gloss. And Hourglass has one of my favorite lip gloss formulas. I actually own a few of them, even though they're ridiculously expensive. I own a few of them because they're so good. I mean, if you try it, you would literally fall in love with it, I promise. Last but not least, I just like to set my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is another ridiculously expensive bougie product. I believe this one costs $52 or $54, something like that, but the mist is so fine and it leaves your skin feeling so good. Alright, you guys, so this is the actual final look here. I actually really love this look. I tried to do something subdued but also super glam, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this look too, and let me know if you have these products and you decide to recreate it. I really am enjoying just how beautiful and put together this look is. But let me tell you how much makeup is on my face. First of all, like I said before, make sure you guess down below. I would really love to know how many of you guys are super close as far as what I'm going to put on my face. But without further ado, drum roll. So you guys, I have $967 worth of makeup products on my face. $967, and that doesn't even include the lashes or the lash glue or the brushes and tools. I mean, the brushes and tools, that who knows how much it would be with that, but the lashes and the lash glue I did use drugstore just because I like them better with this look, but everything else is high end and we're at $967. So I was super close. I said 1,000. I would love to see how close you were to guessing how much makeup is on my face. Makeup, the price of makeup, like in recent years, has just skyrocketed. It's pretty crazy that we pay this much on beauty products. It's something that I love, so it's something that I splurge on. It's my guilty habit and it is what it is, but don't think that you have to break the bank in order to have an amazingly beautiful look like this one. There are plenty of drugstore products that are really gorgeous, okay? So know that this video was all in fun, but I just thought it would be fun to see and pull out all the expensive makeup that I have. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also comment and let me know down below. I hope this video was fun for you and entertaining. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.